Meet Jeff under stress. Jeff is the lead engineer in charge of launching a new medical device. It requires easy access to the controls and several quick connects. It also needs color-coded markings and must withstand cleaning agents without corroding. Marketing anticipates 5,000 units in the first year. This is a real dilemma that needs to be solved quickly. The project is already behind schedule, and the product kickoff at a major conference is only a few weeks away. Jeff is shocked when he finds out that the lead time for an injection mold is at least 3 months. To make matters worse, most molding companies appear unwilling to run such a small quantity. He then checks with all the major distributors of generic cases and housings. Nothing is even close to the desired shape, not to mention the challenge of adding cutouts and then print. Desperate, he checks on the options for a sheet metal case. This requires stampings, welding, sanding, powder coating, and, last but not least, expensive stainless steel material. Add the graphics, and the per-unit cost is severely over budget. Then an ad on Google catches his eye. Custom plastic housings made fast and simple. He clicks and learns about ClickFold Plastics and its unique zero-tooling process. CNC machining, digital flatbed printing with wear-resistant UV-cured inks, followed by thermoline bending and assembly with almost invisible solvent welds. Prototypes only take a few days and can be turned over to production immediately. The CAD-driven process allows for changes on the fly, and even small batches can be produced cost-effectively. After emailing his conceptual ideas and a brief consultation with a ClickFold design engineer, Jeff's product launch is back on track with time to spare. Meet Jeff going confidently into the board meeting. Be like Jeff and visit clickfold.com to receive your quote today.